I'm Jim Stewart-Young. I work for Moog Aircraft Group. We're based in Wolverhampton in the UK. So our company makes flight control actuation for the aerospace industry, so hydraulically powered, controlled, precise actuation. And we try and, our motto is to solve our customers' most difficult problems. About 18 months ago, we bought an M35G and an M50, and we're doing a new product development on those at the moment. And we're trying to produce the processes that will be scalable to purchase more WFLs as volume increases. So the components are cylinders and ramrods and control manifolds for the actuation that we make. They're mainly out of stainless steel, 15.5, 13.8, or we've got some titanium products that go across the machines as well. As we ready our business for automation, we're trying to go from raw billet to finished product all on one machine. So that means we wanted to do the heat treatment prior to the machining, and the size and diameters we're working with in a hardened condition needed a lot of spindle motor power, axial thrust, and that pointed us towards a machine like a WFL. The precision that WFL gives us, a lot of the in-cycle probing, we're able to, as I said, go from a raw billet, deep hole drill, in-cycle honing, all whilst checking the OD run out through ultrasonic testing, all in one integrated process, are the main benefits that WFL give us. So we came to this technology meeting this year mainly with automation in mind. Now that you guys have got WFL MILLTURN Technologies automation as part of your solution, we wanted to talk to that team as we grow more and more WFLs in our facility and get ready for our sister facility as well. We want it to be fully automated, and we'd like to talk to you guys about those solutions. It's very good what you guys do with this, what's normally an assembly facility, and you turn it into a little exhibition show every year. It's a really good exhibition that you guys put on. I would describe you guys as experts in your field, really. That we've done a number of turnkeys with you guys. So from developing the process with you, working with you in a tight collaboration, and the experience and the help you bring to us has been a massive benefit for us. Austria is beautiful. We took a long train ride to get here yesterday, but it was one of the best train rides that we've been on in many years. So it's a beautiful country to come to.